Alo. Alo.
What happened? Oh my goodness! Thank you. It's Angus McBangus. Angus McBangus. He's a pretty bird.
You in your cage, hey, Milo's in his cage, hey, Loki, where you going? Get the hell in your cage, hey, go in your cage. Thank you, Loki, all dogs in that cage, one person left, he the worst one, he always trying to run. Oh my goodness, get in your cage, get in your cage, hey, get in your cage, get in your cage, get in your cage, do the cage dance, hey.